Hooray! I finally got it. You know what I finally got? I finally got this thing. This nice, cool air conditioner at 68 degrees. Yay! Yes! Yes! But I have to be in the dark now because, well, if I turn on my lamp right there, it will blow a fuse. Because, well, since the circuit box of the house is so weak and so small and weak and we just installed 2 air conditioners up in the second story, one in my room and one in my dad's room. And if we put too many electronics on, and that's it. So that's why I'm in the dark right now. But I am going to go to sleep soon. Thank you, Mr. Air conditioner, for cooling my room instead of making it a humid 87 degrees. Man. But those days are long gone. Now I can sleep like a baby now. Well, good night, everyone.